Welcome. In this video, we will explore concurrency control in SQL, focusing on the various isolation levels that manage how transactions interact with each other. Concurrency control is a database management technique that ensures multiple transactions can occur simultaneously without leading to data inconsistency. It is essential for maintaining data integrity in multi-user environments. Isolation levels define the degree to which the operations in one transaction are isolated from those in other transactions. They play a crucial role in balancing data integrity and system performance. There are four ANSI SQL isolation levels: read uncommitted, read committed, repeatable read, and serializable. Each level offers a different balance of consistency and concurrency. Read uncommitted allows transactions to read data that has been modified but not yet committed. This level offers the highest concurrency but can lead to dirty reads where one transaction reads uncommitted changes made by another. Read committed ensures that transactions only read committed data. This prevents dirty reads but allows non-repeatable reads where data can change between reads within the same transaction. Repeatable read guarantees that if a transaction reads a row, it will see the same data if it reads it again during the transaction. This level prevents dirty non-repeatable reads but can lead to phantom reads where new rows are added that match the query criteria. Serializable is the strictest isolation level, ensuring complete isolation from other transactions. It prevents dirty reads, non-repeatable reads, and phantom reads, but can significantly reduce concurrency and performance due to locking. Choosing the right isolation level depends on the specific requirements of your application. You must balance data integrity with performance and consider factors like system load and transaction frequency. You can set isolation levels in SQL using the set transaction isolation level command. Here is an example of how to change the isolation level within a transaction. In conclusion, understanding concurrency control and isolation level is vital for manage transactions effectively in SQL. I encourage you to assess your application's need and choose the appropriate isolation level to maintain data integrity while optimizing performance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.